Okay, so let's go ahead and try and make a slip knot. I'm doing it on super chunky yarn because it helps you to see it better, and I'm using a super chunky hook again because it'll help you see it better, but you use whatever hook and yarn is required in your pattern, okay? So this is one way that I make a slip knot. I take my yarn, I wrap it around my finger, I have the tail in the back, I make a cross this way, I take this piece, I wrap it around my finger, it looks like I have a Y. Then I take this part that's closest to my knuckle, I pull it through, and there I have a slip knot. And then you tighten it. Want to see it again? And this is how you take it apart. Just yank. That's how you know you've done it correctly, okay? Let's try that again. I take the tail, I put it on the back of my finger. This is my working yarn, this is my tail. I cross it over like that. I take this, the working yarn, I wrap it over my finger. It looks like I have a Y. Then I take this piece that's closest to my thumb, I give it a little tug, and I pull it over. And there I have a slip knot. Then you can insert your hook and pull it. And that's my slip knot. That's one way. There are other ways, okay? That's my slip knot. I hope that was helpful.